This is my litter of 4 teddy bears. They're all sold, but this little black and white one. This is the little female. She actually has a bow on her butt.
A bow on her butt? So funny.
Now remember, they're just 4 weeks. They're just starting to move around a little bit. Black and white one's still available. Oh wow, that's a perfect picture. The black and white one's still available. That's the little girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Look how pretty you are. Hey. You're so pretty. Black and white one's still available. The rest of them are sold. Oh, water in his ear. You're licking. Wow, you are just a poser. Look at you. Look at her. See, you're very pretty. You're very pretty. That black and white one looks like it's getting ready to pee. Look at it sniffing around. Okay. Again, the black and white one's still available. Hey! This is my lonely little one, still available.